Bringing up details and adding drama to your photos has never been easier. Luminar 4 has got a host of really powerful yet simple to use tools. Among them is the really powerful AI structure tool, which is great for bringing up details, adding clarity and structure whilst leaving areas that you don't want that applied to untouched. And Luminar also has a dramatic tool, which, as the name implies, adds drama to your photos. So in this video, we'll take a look at exactly how those tools can be used and get you up and running with them in no time. So let's get into it. Adding drama and bringing out details in your photos is super easy with Luminar's AI structure. Let's have a look. Let's open up the tool and grab the amount slider and crank that all the way to the right. Straight away we can see a massive improvement in this image. It looks insane. Let's grab the boost. Let's push that all the way up as well. This really looks amazing, just with two simple sliders within the AI structure. If we turn that off and on, we see so much drama and impact added to this already fantastic image. Let's see if we can add drama and bring out detail in a landscape image too. Okay, let's take a look at this awesome panorama showing the New Zealand landscape with a road trailing off into the distance. I really love this shot, but it's just missing something. So let's see what we can do with the accent slider within AI Enhance. Okay, that's nice because it's adding some saturation to the image, but it's not really bringing us any drama. Even if we bring a little bit of depth into the sky with the AI Sky Enhancer, it's still looking a little flat. So this is where we dive into AI structure and really see what this slider can do for us. As we push that up, that has really improved this image. I really love that. We've got all the detail through the mountains, the sky has become much more rich and interesting, and all of the details here in the foreground too. If we boost it, we can push that even further. Wow, you can see just how far that you can take this if you want to, but I'm just going to ease those sliders off just a little bit so we're still keeping all of that drama whilst being faithful to the original scene. If we dive into the creative tab, we've got access to this dramatic slider here, so let's see what that can do. If we push that slider up, let's go all the way just to see exactly what it's doing, and it's certainly adding drama. This for me is too much, but we can see what the slider does, and then we can just tickle that in to a point where we feel that is a nice addition to the image. Somewhere around, let's say 35, and that's a nice look. Let's look at our before and after. Here's our before, here's our after, and you can see just with those two tools, dramatic and AI structure, we've added so much drama to this scene. We've seen how the sky was massively improved in this image. Let's see if we can do something with this photo here. I shot this image when the sky was just performing some crazy cloud acrobatics. It really was stunning. But for me, the capture in the camera just doesn't really do it justice. So let's see if we grab that AI structure slider and pump that up. Wow. What about if we dive into the dramatic slider? Let's see what that can do. That just increases that level of drama even further. So I'm really happy with what that's able to do in this image. To finish it off, I might just put a little vignette on this just so that we draw our attention closer to that tree in the middle. Let's reduce the size so we bring that in and we'll just feather that off. Nice. Let's look at our before and our after. So much drama added through that. I love it. If you're looking for an even quicker way to add some drama to your image, you can come over to the Looks tab here and come into the Dramatic section. From here, you could choose any of the looks that you like. So here, let's apply Dramatic Look. Straight away, we see so much punch and drama, giving a gritty edge to this portrait. If you feel it's too much, you can grab the amount slider and just knock it off just a little bit. And then we've got a great look so quickly, so simply. How about we throw on Mystic and see what that looks like? That's a completely different look, but still equally dramatic in its own way. And again, we've got access to just dial that slider back if we want to. Fantastic. If you want to add the wow factor to your images, as you can see, bringing out details and adding drama to your shots is a great way to do that. The tools are all there inside Luminar 4 at your disposal, so I really encourage you just to play around, get creative and start creating your own masterpieces. Happy creating, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.